Hi, I'm Caitlin Kramer, and I'm going to be talking about supervision. The textbook states that supervision is defined by the ANA as the active process of directing, guiding, and influencing the outcomes of an individual's performance of an activity or a task. There are two different types of supervision. The first type of supervision is on-site, and the second is off-site. On-site just means that the supervisor is readily available. This is typically in a hospital or a clinic setting. Offsite is usually available via written or electronic communication, text message, email, or phone call. This happens a lot with hospice and home health care. As far as supervising skills, you need to be able to effectively communicate with interprofessional team members, doctors, nurses, unlicensed personnel, and even families. You need to create an environment of trust and cooperation and provide feedback and follow-ups. You need to be able to multitask, and you also need to be able to be organized as well. Of all the BSN essentials, the two that were most important for supervising are Essential 2 and Essential 8. Essential 2 is the basic organizational and system leadership for patient safety. Leadership skills are needed for critical decision making, effective work environments, care coordination, and delegation. So they need to be able to think on their feet. All supervisors should. And also, Essential 8 states professionalism and professional values. As a supervisor, you should always be professional. Quality and safety education for nurses, the two that were most important here, teamwork and collaboration. You need to be able to work really well with others as a supervisor, and you also need to be able to collaborate. So you need to be able to discuss what is going on with patients' families, patients, doctors, nurses, and the unlicensed personnel. Also, quality improvement. Supervisors are always trying to improve care and always trying to make the healthcare environment a better place. The evidence-based practice article that I found that relates to supervision is Supervision in Clinical Practice Indicators, Evidence-Based Practice in the Context of Outpatient Surgery. So this article talks about an outpatient setting where supervising is important, and the study was done that shows that the implementation of protocols in the clinical nursing supervisor are supported by evidence-based practice. And also that the clinical supervisor, they play important roles in development of evidence-based practices. And here are my references. Thank you.